This is a period of 11:30 to 12:30. We are discuss something about that same lesson, freedom struggle in Tamil Nadu. Now we are going to discuss about non-cooperation movement. Okay, so non-cooperation means not cooperate the act of English. Okay, that is also called as a non-cooperation movement. That is the non-cooperation movement is also called as a civil disobedient movement. So what is happened? Okay, yeah, on the civil disobedience and non-cooperation movement in Tamil Nadu, that is the things we are discussed in this class. So first one in Tamil Nadu, active during the non-cooperation movement, C. Rajaji and E.V. Ramasamy. Okay, yeah. EVR, later known as Periyar. Rajaji and Periyar provide the leadership. Okay, yeah. So on the movement of non-cooperation movement, Rajaji worked closely with Yagib Hussain. Okay, yeah. So who's Yagib Hussain means the founder of Madras branch of Muslim League. As a result, the Hindus and Muslims cooperate closely during the course of the movement in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so that the two leaders, uh, Rajaji and EVR, so provide the leadership of non-cooperation movement, and also that Rajaji worked closely on the Yagib Hussain. So who is a Yagib Hussain means is a founder of Madras branch Muslim League. Okay, sign of that what is happened means the Hindus and Muslims cooperate closely during the movement. That means the non-cooperation movement in Tamil Nadu. And next one, no tax campaigning and transparency movement. As part of non-cooperation movement, in many places the cultivators refuse to pay tax. So the first one, okay, non-cooperative movements are okay, so that the cultivators refuse to pay taxes, and no tax campaign took places in Tanjore. Okay, so what is the place? The first tax, that is a campaign. Campaign means that is a one kind of struggle. Okay, all the peoples are gathered in one place, and what is the motto that gathered that one place means no tax. I am not willing to paying a tax on the government. Okay, so that is where is that campaign that was started means in Tanjore, and councils and schools and courts were also boycotted. Okay, what is also they are boycotted by the Hindu people means that the councils are also, that means the English government gathered some kind of arranged some kind of meetings means that is a council not participated by the Hindu freedom fighters, and that schools, okay, and after that the courts that also that the boycotted by the Indian freedom fighters, and the foreign goods that is also boycotted by the foreign goods also, and there were a number of workers and strikes all over the region, many of them led by the nationalist leader, one of the important aspect of the movement in Tamil Nadu. So these are the things are very important in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the things led by the nationalist leader in this the region. And one of the important aspect of the movement in Tamil Nadu, that the transparency movement or movement against liquor. Okay, so in thousand, okay, so 1021. So and after that the what is the motto of that the uh, this movement also, that is a liquor, against the liquor. Okay, so that means in Halgar. And 1921 decided to organize the civil disobedience. Rajaji and Subramania Sastri and E. Vera was also arrested on November 1921. They visit the Prince of Wales on 13th January 1922 was boycotted. In the police repression, two were killed. Okay, many of injured in the non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement was withdrawn in 1922 after a Chauri Chaura incident, and 22 policemen were also killed in the Chauri Chaura incident. And next one is Surajist justice rivalry. And following a withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, the Congress was divided into two groups. Okay, so between the no changes and after that the divided between the no changes wanted to continue that boycotted the council and pro changes. So no changes means that the wanted to continue the boycotted the council. Okay, so that is that the persons also called as no changes, and pro changes means contest an election for the council. So these are the two groups also having in Congress, that is divided on the Congress on this time. Rajaji along the stench Gandhi followers. Okay, Rajaji was a stench follower of Gandhi and opposed the council entry. Okay, and next, and Kasturi Rangar and M.A. Ansari and Rajaji advocated the boycott at the council. Okay, so these are the three persons. Kasturi Rangar and after that the M.A. Ansari and Rajaji, those are the persons are advocated and proposed to boycott at the council. And opposition, okay, this was led by the formation of Swaraj Party and with in the Congress, okay, by the Sitharanjan Das and Motilal Nehru. In Tamil Nadu, Surajists were led by the Srinivasanar and S. Satyamurthy. Next one is Subrayan Ministry. And in Madras provinces, the election held in 1926, the Surajists win the majority of the elected. And next seeds, however, he did not accept the office of accordance with the Congress policy. Instead of the support of an independent B. Subroyan formed the ministry. The Swarajis did not contest in election. Okay, so in the 1930 election, lead an easy victory of the Justice Party, and Justice Party remained office in 1937 until Justice Party ruled in Tamil Nadu. And next one is a Simon Commission boycotted. So the in 1927 the statutory commission that was constituted under the Sir John Simon review in the Act of 1919 suggest reforms of however the great disappointment of Indians. Okay, so these are the Simon Commission that was disappointed by the Indians. Why? Because means all are English persons, not only one. Okay, out of 7 members, only one person is not on the commission of Simon. It was an all white commission. Okay, so with not a single Indian members. So the Congress boycotted the Simon Commission. Okay, and next, the Madras, the Simon boycotted the propagate. The committee was set up as Satyamurthy as a president. And the arrival of Simon Commission in Madras in 1918, February 1929, black flag was waved against the commission. And next one is the agitation for removal of Nile statue, that is in 1927. Okay, a Nile, okay, that is a statue removed in 1927. James Nile, the Madras fertilizer, that means infant man with firearms, and brutal in working the vigilance in Kanpur, the Kanpur massacre, it was called as a. So many English women and children were killed in the Great Rebellion of 1857. Nail was the latter killed in the Indian sepoys. A statue was erected in the Mount Road in Madras. The nationalists saw this insult to Indian sentiments that and organized the serial of demonstration in Madras. The statue was finally moved to the Madras Museum in Congress Ministry, led by the C. Rajaji, and formed the government in 1937. Okay, students, we are all discussed in this period civil disobedience movement. That, that means in a non-cooperation movement. Next class we want to discuss the civil disobedience movement. So in the non-cooperation movement, what is the things having means no tax campaigning, the transparency movement, and Swarajist and justice rivalry, and Subramanian ministry, and Simon Commission boycott. Thank you, students. We are all clear about the topic. If you have any doubt means ask immediately. Thanks for watching. Thank you one and all.